My dream is a doctor healing with compassion and care. Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Ray who had a big dream. He dreamed of becoming a doctor when he grew up. Ray's dream was to help people feel better and make them smile. He knew that being a doctor meant healing with compassion and care. Every day, Ray would play pretend doctor with her stuffed animals. He would give them checkups, bandage their pretend wounds, and listen to their imaginary heartbeat. Ray loved taking care of her stuffed animal patients and imagined herself doing the same for real people one day. As Ray grew older, he studied hard and learned about the human body. He read books about different illnesses and how doctors could help treat them. Ray was fascinated by the ways medicine could make people feel better. One day, Ray visited a hospital with her parents. He watched the doctors and nurses work tirelessly to help patients. The kindness and compassion they showed touched her heart. Ray knew that this was the path he wanted to follow. Years later, Ray's dream came true. He graduated from medical school and became a doctor. Every day, he walked into the hospital with a smile, ready to help those in need. He greeted her patients with kindness and listened to their concerns with care. Ray's dream of healing with compassion and care became a reality. He brought comfort to those in pain and made them feel safe. Ray's patients trusted her and felt grateful for her presence. Seeing their smiles and gratitude brought joy to her heart. And so, Ray lived her dream as a doctor, healing with compassion and care. He made a difference in the lives of others by helping them feel better, just as he had always dreamed. Ray's journey taught children the importance of following their dreams and using their talents to bring happiness and healing to others. The end.